somo masani.
E kinde mar hingo ayanga odiechieng' jogo modak gi ng'ol mar pien del kata albinism mong'ere kaka International Albinism Awareness Day mane otime kaunti ma Uasin Gishu, minod jatend piny Rachel Ruto nokwayo oganda mondo ne ni orito kendo konyo jogo modak kod ng'ol makamano, ka bende nojiwo mondo migi ratiro kod thuolo machalre. Jaloso e lo sirikal Isaac Mwaura bende nohum nono kaluwore gi kwan maduong' mar nek mitimo ne jok modak gi ng'ol mar pien del kata albinism, ka bende nowacho ni kwan joma ohew 600 osewito ngimagi. Mwaura bende nojiwo riwruok mar pinje Afrika AU mondo ne ni oketo joma odak gi ng'ol e kido makamano e chenro magi, kamano biro duoko piny nek margi.
Katika council tuko na mambo kadhaa nyingi ambayo tunafanya kusaidia hawa. Hata mambo ya education pia tunapatia grants, hizi devices. So in that case our resources they need to be increased. Hiyo ndio tunaomba pia, it's a request. Kwa sababu personal disability there is so much that they need.
Kenya is actually a leader in issues of albinism, so that the AU Special Envoy can actually be appointed, so that then they can be able to work on our AU action plan, so that the whole of Africa can stop this challenge of killing us. We have lost over 600 people with albinism in Africa. 600 over the years. And so we need to stop that.
I firmly believe it is our shared responsibility to cultivate a society where everyone can thrive, where differences are not just accepted, but celebrated. I applaud the National Council for Persons with Disabilities and the Kenya Medical Supplies Authority for distributing sunscreen free of charge to over 3,800 registered Kenyans through health facilities. Let us not forget to take the time to celebrate the remarkable contributions of persons with albinism in our society. They bring invaluable talents, insights, and strengths that enrich our culture tapestry.